Actually, I got some socks on to go with it. I got some Palm Angel socks on. Some Palm Angel sunglasses. What's up, 25 fam? Welcome back to another video. If you're new and want to be a part of 25 fam, make sure you like and subscribe. Today I got a sneaker unboxing and review for y'all today, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so y'all can see on the box. Balenciaga on the box. And y'all know about the title already. Know what it is. It's already cool. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So when I open it, I got this. It comes with this Balenciaga drawstring bag. It's like the last ones I did. Got the Balenciaga authentication card in here and everything. You know how to get all that. All right, as y'all can see, these are the shoes. Now this style is already like they already supposed to look beat up, you know. So that way, and I think they was pretty cool. So that way when they start getting dirty, you can't really tell. So this is a Balenciaga crank runner, in the colorway black and white. And yeah, bro, let's show you. Tongue here got Balenciaga at the top. Coming down, this a new B logo, as you see right there. All right. Right here we got Balenciaga as well. Balenciaga's here as well. On the toe it has your size of the shoe you got, and this is a 43, which is a 10, and this fits perfect. So if you in between sizes, if you have sizes, I would recommend that you size up. All right, coming on the side we have, it says runner right here on the side, and as y'all see by the sole, you can just tell by the sole and how it looks on the shoe. Like it looks like jeans and dyed on it, or it's faded on or whatever. No, this how they came. This how they look. That's the back. Not too fancy on the back. You got the logo. On the back you got the logo here, and it got Balenciaga again. Alright, this is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. It does say Balenciaga over here. Let me see. It says Balenciaga at the top. You can see. Over there it says Balenciaga. But this is the bottom of the sole. On the back it says the number 43 as well, unless your size, like I just told you. And it's the same with this shoe. Everything's the same over here. It just runners on the opposite side over here. And then up under the shoe, we got Balenciaga on this side now, on the bottom. But yeah, man, so this is the shoe. They do have a pull tab in the back, so it's real easy to get these shoes on. These shoes are really comfortable, bro. Like, I'll 100% recommend these. If you want to think about copying them, or you want to, you know, get them and try them out, I definitely recommend this. Even if you don't want to get this colorway, they do have other colorways. But like I told y'all, I got this colorway, so that way I wanted a pair of shoes that already kind of look messed up already, and they executed with this. The fit on these are amazing. I kid you not, they're really comfortable. Really comfortable, man. And quickly thumbnail. Here. And yeah, man, so that's it for the review on the shoe. That's the unboxing. Show you what the box look like. I just reviewed the shoe. Show you what that look like and feel like. This here is kind of like, hold on, let me show y'all something. This is very comfortable, and it's like, I don't know, it do put me in mind of like a knit material. Not really sure right here, to be honest, but it goes throughout the shoe. And yeah, man, they real comfortable. So that's the review. I'm finna go ahead and do this how to style video for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna get it with y'all next video, man. Be smooth. Up for the fit, man. Y'all know I like details, so I got some Palm Angel socks on. Coming up, I paired it with some black jeans. You can do it with any black jeans. I decided to do it with some Black Amiri. And then coming up, I got this white Palm Angels t-shirt on. I paired it with some Palm Angel sunglasses. Everything black and white to go with the shoes. Add some little accessories, man, and that's really the fit. So you can't go wrong with these shoes. Like I tell y'all, they comfortable, and it's black and white, so go with anything. So that's the fit, man.